friends, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to do review about Gala Scrub Pad. Clean a home every day. This Gala Scrub Pad is for your effective cleaning. Contain alox. It is a thick pad and for longer lasting. This is what it says about the Gala Scrub Pad. And in this plastic that I have mentioned, commodity scrub pad manufactured on May 2024. Number of commodity, that is 5 number. MRP of this Gala Scrub Pad is rupees 85 inclusive of all taxes. Unit sale price rupees 17 per number and inclusive of all taxes. The Gala Scrub Pad is manufactured and marketed by Frudenberg Gala Household Product Private Limited, 02 Galleria B 902, 903 and 904. Plot number 23/24, Minerva Industrial Estate of LBS Mark near Asha Nagar, Mulund West, Mumbai 400080, Maharashtra. They are given the customer care. Contact sale coordinator, Frudenberg Gala Household Product Private Limited. Address which is mentioned just now, which I have told it for you. And telephone number which they have given is 1800 222 009. They also have an email ID, that is customercare.india@hp-www.com, and the website is Gala www.galaclean.com. This is made in India product. Now let us read the features and benefits. alox, unique formula that clean utensils. Widely spread out cleaning agents. Durable, long lasting, high quality nylon wires. User friendly, smooth and soft on hand. So they are telling when you use this Gala Scrub Pad, is very smooth for your hand. No cut, itches or marks. You will not get any cuts, itches or even marks when you use this Gala ka Scrub Pad. Cost saving, need lesser washing powder / liquid. Time saving, cleans quickly. Application, better cleaning and scrubbing of utensils, pot, tiles, sink, floor, ceramic and brassware. Not to be used on Teflon coated utensils. Okay, let's open the packet and show you how many of them are coming in this pack. Are there 5? One, 2, 3, 4, and this is 5. Okay, their mention is correct. We get 5 numbers. Now I'll make one good use of it and I'll show you whether it's clean very nicely, or they are just saying that it clean nicely, remove whether I'm getting cut on my hand when I'm using this, any itches or any marks when I'm using this. Let's see. So let us see also that how many scrub pad that is come. That is, I've told you 5, and this is of nylon wires, so that once you scrub it, you you get a effective cleaning. Okay, let's go in our kitchen and let's have a test how it really works. This spoon and this is the bowl that I'm gonna clean it with this scrubber, and I'm going to use this liquid for cleaning. Basically what I do, I just pour water first on the scrub pad on my hand. First I clean it like this. I remove all food particles which are there, and then I take it for scrubbing. I don't just directly take it for scrubbing. I just pour water first, clean it, whatever food particles which are there. Then I clean my This is very nice. Nice scrub. When I'm scrubbing it, this is very nice. So this is my this rice one, and it's become a little hard by keeping the rice in this utensil. So it's very nice. You can see it, how I'm scrubbing it. And the spoon. This is my rice spoon, as you can see it. I'm scrubbing it. Okay, I'm done with my scrubbing. Now I'll just wash it. I have only 3 utensils over here to be washed. If there were more, I could have shown you how to wash them. Yeah, but yes, it's very nice. See how my spoon is looking. Now I'll show you, I'll just rinse the bowl with water, and I'll show you my bowl also. See, this is my bowl, and I've also cleaned my bowl. See, very nice. And this is my rice. You say handi. This is my rice handi that I'm cleaning. Yeah, it's very nice. I really like Gala Scrub Pad for my cleaning of my utensils. It can be used for various things like cleansing ties and all. But yes, it's okay to use scrub pad to wash my utensils. See, I'm done with washing my utensils and will go back. So friends, you saw me washing the utensils and how nicely I've washed them, and it's very clean with this Gala Scrub Pad. I really like it, but I think it should be more softer. If it will be more softer, it will be much better, because my hands are very soft. So I thought that it should be a little more softer. Yes, but overall it's very good. I will give 4 out of 5 for this Gala Scrub Pad for washing my utensil. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please click a like on my video and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to buy this Gala Scrub Pad, you can purchase it on Amazon. I have left the link in the description. You can buy it over there. And come on, keep on coming to watch my video if you like my video. Thank you. Bye bye.